Hare Krishna. Question: why is the Bhagavad Gita called a Yoga Shastra? Does it teach Ashtanga Yoga? Answer: the word Bhagavad Gita is called Yoga Shastra because it teaches yoga. And yoga is currently thought of as only Ashtanga Yoga. But actually, Ashtanga Yoga is just one type of many different yogas. There are Bhakti Yoga, Gyan Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga or Dhyan Yoga, then there is Karma Yoga. So like that there are different yogas. And today the word yoga is equated with Ashtanga Yoga, but it is actually a generic word which means connection. And this connection happens in many ways. So the Bhagavad Gita is called as Yoga Shastra firstly because it teaches yoga. We will see that many of the chapters talk about yoga repeatedly. So the word yoga appears 78 times in the Bhagavad Gita, and in 15 of its 18 chapters, only in 3 chapters, 1, 15 and 17, is the word yoga not found. And the word yoga has related variants like yogi, which is found 28 times in the Bhagavad Gita, and yukta, which means connected. Yogi is one who practices yoga, yukta is connected. That is found 49 times. So totally the word yoga and its variants appear 155 times. Now out of the 700 verses of the Gita, then 155 is more than 20%. So from the sheer frequency of the use of the word yoga, we can understand that it is a very central teaching of the Bhagavad Gita. And then along with that also we see that the Bhagavad Gita enables Arjuna to do yoga. So this is the one is the frequency of the word yoga. Second is what I discussed earlier, the teaching, that it teaches various paths. The 6 chapters about Ashtanga Yoga, but there are other paths also. Bhakti Yoga is there, Karma Yoga is there, even Gyan Yoga is mentioned. So just there is the concept of yoga is being taught, then the word yoga is used, and also the effect was in terms of yoga. At the start of the Bhagavad Gita, Krishna and Arjuna were connected. Both of them were there for the same mission of establishing dharma. But by the end of the first chapter, because of seeing their relatives and thinking of how he could kill all of them, Arjuna became unnerved and there was viyoga. So the separation, they became disconnected. And then at the end of the Bhagavad Gita, again they came together when Arjuna, after understanding Krishna's message, said, Karishi vachinam tava. I'll do whatever you tell me to do. So from its essential message, from the frequency of the word usage, and from the effect on its hearer, we can see that the Bhagavad Gita is a Yoga Shastra, a scripture that teaches yoga. Thank you. Hare Krishna.